It is a normal winter break, and your mom pours you a cup of boiling hot water, saying hot water is good for you, but it is too hot for you to drink it. So you decide to cool it down by adding ice in your cup of boiling hot water. After you added ice in your cup of hot water, the ice melts and dissolves into water, cooling the hot water in the process. But why does the ice melt? It is because when the temperature increases, the particles of water separates and start shifting around, eventually moving enough that ice turns into liquid form. The ice melts and dissolves into water, causing the hot water to cool down. But why does the ice cool down the hot water? It is because when ice is placed in a glass of hot water, ice begins to absorb heat energy from the water molecules and they begin to slow down and decrease in temperature. So when we add ice to water, the ice doesn't give its coolness to water, it takes away heat from water. Thermal equilibrium is a state where two objects connected by a permeable barrier does not have any heat transfer between them, and this happens when two objects have the same temperature. So when the ice melts and get the same temperature of the cooling hot water, they reach thermal equilibrium. So you have your favorite water temperature, which is 35 degrees to drink from, but you have a cup of hot water that is 90 degrees. How do you know how much ice you need to make the hot water the temperature you desire? First, you have to find the energy lost by water. Then, you have to find the energy gained by ice by adding the energy needed to change ice at 0 degrees to water at 0 degrees to the energy needed to change water at 0 degrees to water at 35 degrees. Setting the energy lost by water and energy gained by ice equal, then we can find the grams of ice required to cool down water from 90 degrees to 35 degrees. Finally, you know how much ice you need and you got the perfect cup of water for you to drink. Thanks for listening.